Let's be honest. Most people are still using AI like it's a basic chatbot. They type a prompt, get a wall of text, and call it a day. But the real power users, they've moved on. Today, I'm showing you 7 AI tools that feel like they're from the future. Tools that actually do the work for you. No fluff, no hype, just raw utility. Let's dive in. First up is Napkin AI. If you've ever struggled to explain a complex technical concept, this is your new best friend. You don't draw anything, you just paste your text, click the lightning icon, and watch. It instantly turns your boring paragraphs into professional diagrams, flowcharts, and mind maps. Whether you're a developer documenting an API or a student making study guides, this replaces hours of work in Canva or Lucidchart. Number 2 is Loveable. This isn't just another no-code builder. It's a full-stack engineer in your browser. You describe the app you want, like a SaaS dashboard with Stripe integration, and it doesn't just show you a preview. It writes the React code, sets up the Supabase database, and handles the deployment. You get real code that you actually own. It's the fastest way to turn an idea into a working product in 2026. Number 3 is a tool that is currently killing traditional search, Perplexity Deep Research. Unlike a standard search engine, this tool acts like a research assistant. It goes out, browses dozens of sources, verifies the facts, and writes a comprehensive report with citations. If you need to stay updated on the tech industry without reading 50 different articles, this is how you do it. Number 4 is Google's hidden gem, Notebook LM. You upload your own documents, PDFs, or even YouTube transcripts. It then creates a source-grounded AI that only answers questions based on your data. My favorite part? The audio overview feature. It can turn your dry technical documents into a 2-person podcast conversation that you can listen to on your commute. Next is Manus. This isn't just an AI, it's a general-purpose agent. Unlike chatbots, which tells you how to do something, Manus just does it. Whether it's researching a full market report, booking a flight, or managing a complex data task, you give it a goal and it navigates the web exactly like a human would. It's the closest thing we have to a digital employee. Number 6 is WindSurf. If you code, pay attention. This is the world's first agentic IDE from the team at Codium. Most AI coding assistants feel like a separate plugin, but WindSurf has what they call flow. It understands the entire context of your code base at all times. It doesn't just suggest snippets, it anticipates your next move, refactoring entire files while you work. It makes every other editor feel like a typewriter. Number 7 is Granola. We all spend too much time in meetings, but Granola is different. It's an AI notepad for people who hate AI transcripts. It doesn't just give you a wall of text. It takes your rough, messy notes and uses the context of the meeting to turn them into professional, high-signal summaries. It makes you look like the most organized person in the room without you having to change how you work. The tech landscape is moving fast. If you want to keep up, you need the right stack. I've put the links to all these tools in the description. Subscribe for more deep dives into the AI era. I'll see you in the next one.